In this video, I'll show you how to convert videos to MP3 format, all for free and without signing up. And the tool we'll be using is known as Free Convert, right? With Free Convert, you don't have to pay for anything and you don't have to sign up. As you can see here under this choose file button, it says max file size 1 gig, sign up for more. So I doubt you'll be needing to sign up because very rare you want to convert a video of 1 gig into MP3. But in case you want, that's the only reason you would perhaps need to sign up. But for me, I've never had to sign up because most of the videos I convert to MP3 are not even anything close to 1 gig. Because sometimes the videos you want to convert are perhaps maybe YouTube videos and music videos that you just want to convert to audio so you can listen over and over. So the first thing you want to do is to point your mouse to this choose files button. Now you can actually upload your video from any of these sources, from device, from Dropbox, from Google Drive, from OneDrive, from URL. So I'm just going to choose from device and pick something. Let's go to my documents. Okay, so test video. I'm going to pick this. This is a song video. So it's uploaded, as you can see. Hello My Yesterday MP4. The size is 13.42 MB. So I'm going to just click on convert. So you click on convert. As you can see it indicating here, it's loading. Conversion results. Do not mind the ads, guys. It's just normal. I can guarantee you that the site is safe. I've been using it for a long time now. So yeah, it's converting, as you can see here, and it's done. The converting is done. So what we want to do now is download our converted video, which is now an MP3 file. Point your cursor to this. Now choose the location you want to download to, save to device, save to Google Drive, Dropbox, and any other one you want to. So I'll just click save to device. And as you can see here, that is downloading. Alright guys, so our video has been successfully downloaded. As you can see, Hello My Yesterday is now an MP3 file. So to check out what we downloaded, we just have to go to our file explorer. This is my file explorer. So we have two versions here now. We have the MP4 version and we have the MP3 version, right? So this is just how to go about it. It's that simple. You want to convert your video to audio, use free convert. This is the URL, freeconvert.com. I'm going to add it to the video description, so you just use it and you're good to go. Hope you found value in this video. If you did, consider subscribing, like and share as well. See you in the next one.